Alrighty guys, so this is all of the ingredients that we're going to use today to make the fiber, so let's get into it. This is our blend of carnauba and candelilla wax. This is basically how we start our samples, and if we really like the product, we'll start scaling up from there. Side note, actually, this is how we used to batch our production back in the day. Now we got big boy and little boy over there. When little boy works. Now I'm gonna add the butter. These are the secret ingredients. I'm not allowed to tell you what they are. This bad boy actually has some really good conditioning oils in it and some emulsifiers. This is our aloe water. One of my favorite parts is that. This is about where I would add that second round of water. Oh yeah. The scent and the preservative. Right now, I am actually going to have to hand pour this. We usually do use the hopper because this is such a small batch. I'm just gonna hand pour it. Alrighty guys, well that is how we make our fiber cream. If you have any more questions, please feel free to comment below and we will do our best to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Also, if you wanted to buy any of these products, feel free to go to www.arcadiangrooming.com. This fiber cream is a limited edition, so it will probably be out of stock by December 31st. So thanks guys for all the love and support, and we'll hear from you soon.